Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California. Welcome to Rides and Wrecks. Today, we're in beautiful Ontario, California at Verbranick Brothers Racing Engines and Dyno. We just got done rebuilding this engine with the help of TA Performance, Tom Mazik, and Verbranick Brothers. Our customer wants a reliable engine and not so much performance. We actually installed an updated oiling system in this. It actually has a roller cam and roller rockers and some really trick push rods. We're getting ready to start this up. We're almost ready. We have everything hooked up. We have water, we have fuel, we have everything all hooked up. We're getting ready to run this thing. As I said, we're not looking for too much horsepower. I would personally be pleased with 200, but they think, maybe a little bit more than that. But we're gonna find out, man. Let's get ready to start it up. Let's do this. So right now, we're at room temperature 72, our water temperature is 75, and our oil is at 67 degrees. We're gonna get these up to operating temperature. Right here is gonna show our RPM, right here. Here's our torque, all right? This is not corrected yet. Once we get it started, we get all of our parameters and everything in, then we're gonna correct it, we're gonna come back. We're not gonna really hit this engine hard till we get everything up to where we like it so we don't blow this engine up. Hopefully that doesn't happen. I haven't seen it yet, and I hope I don't see it today. Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're warming up our engine. We're trying to get it up to operating temperature, and we're doing our RPM. We're checking our timing and everything. So you can see our oil pressure, our oil right here has gone up. The temperature, our water temperature is going up. The room temperature is still 73. We have an oil pressure of like 58, 59 pounds. It seems a little high. We may have to readjust that. We're at about 22.5 RPM. So we're just gonna let it run a little bit longer, and then we're gonna do some pulls on it. Start it right up. Sounds awesome. So we just let our engine run for about 30 minutes. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit. We check to make sure all of our components, or we don't have any leaky plugs, we don't have any oil leaks. Everything looks fantastic right now. Just a couple minutes, we're gonna do some pulls on this thing. I'm still thinking 200. These guys have high hopes. Let's see what's going on. We have a little water leak here around this carburetor for some reason. Well, let's investigate. This is something strange. So what we're thinking is it's condensation because we actually blocked off the heat riser that goes across the manifold. We're going to give another pull on here. We're going to inspect it again. Let's see what we can do on this second round. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Check this out. Check this out. Here we are, 300 horse. Here we go, 340, 345. Torque was well over 400. Our torque never went under 400, from 2,500 to 4,500. That is damn good.
Carburetor is definitely big enough. Yeah. So I guess we're pretty much in the ballpark right now too with that blood pressure.
Is that how we're going to 4,500, or are we going to do something a little stronger?
We're probably revving it up now.
We're going to do a rev up on it. Let's do a little more than 4,500. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the pull. Here's the pull. Here's the pull. There's the torque. Here we go. 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 45, 340 horse. Wow, I missed that. I was thinking 200. Those guys said a little more, and then we all missed it by about 75. Where's our best range, Tom, on horsepower? Around 4,500? No? Yeah, 4,500?
Put 2 more degrees in it.
Oh, we still got some timing. We're going to try to put some more timing in there, see if we get a little bit more out of this. We're at 430 horse at 4,500. Yeah.
You're at 478 foot-pounds.
Yeah, 478 foot-pounds.
374 horsepower.
374 horsepower. Holy moly.
That's your average torque and your average horsepower.
Wow. That's incredible, guys. And we're going to try to get some more out of this. Let's see. Yeehaw! What do you mean, Larry? Larry, that what?
Stick a couple of degrees in it.
Okay, let's stick it. Okay, we just added some advance to it. We're at 32 now. Is it going to make a difference? Is it going to make a difference? Let's see. We're doing our pull. Our pull. Here we go. 4 grand, 4,500, 5,000. Yeehaw! How'd we do? How'd we do, boys? Where are we at?
Pretty much
Stayed the same, huh?
stayed the same. So
We may, no, I think we lost some torque out of it. At the bottom down there at 5,000, well, we never hit 5,000 before.
The same average.
Same averages?
And then went to the end of he's sunk now. It doesn't. It's pretty much a repeat. 451 and 320. 451 and 320.
So it's still about the same.
So
Didn't make any difference. So we're going to run what we got, what we brought. This is it. So there you had it. We had a little bit of water condensation problem. No big deal. Our 67 430 pulled some good numbers into the 400s on torque, well into the 300s on horsepower. And it's just a shame that we can't be putting this 2,000 horse little pro engine in that baby, man. That would stand the wheels up. Again, we're at Verbranick Brothers located in Ontario, California. For your dyno and performance needs, call Bob.